Tired of staring at a blank page when building your WordPress website? Elementor's starter templates are your secret weapon to designing stunning sites in record time. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once activated, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. You'll find Elementor options in the left-hand menu. Click on Elementor, and then select Templates. This is where the magic happens. Elementor offers a vast library of predestined templates to filter for starter templates, which are fully functional website layouts. Look for the Starter Templates tab at the top of this window. Give it a click. You'll see a huge variety of professionally designed website kits. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find a template that best suits your niche. Whether it's for a business, a personal portfolio, or an online store, find one that catches your eye and hover over it. Clicking on a template will give you a preview of its pages. Once you've found the perfect fit, simply click the Import Template button. Elementor will then download and install all the necessary pages, images, and settings for this starter template directly into your website. Now the real customization begins. Navigate to the page where you want to use this template, or create a new page and click Edit with Elementor. The imported starter template will load, and you can begin making it your own. Simply click on any section or element, a heading, text, image, or button, and the Elementor editing panel on the left will appear. From here, you can change the text, replace placeholder images with your own from the media library, adjust colors, fonts, and even rearrange entire sections. It's all drag and drop and intuitive. You can easily swap out logos, update contact details, and insert your unique content. Want to change the layout? You can add new sections using Elementor's pre-built widgets or duplicate existing ones. Need to remove something? Just click the delete icon. This process allows you to achieve a completely unique look and feel without starting from scratch. Elementor's starter templates are designed to give you a robust foundation that you can then sculpt to perfectly match your brand identity and content requirements. So stop wrestling with your website design and start leveraging Elementor's starter templates. Import, customize, and launch professional-looking WordPress sites with incredible speed and ease. Happy building!